Everybody's seen the Z Sport sign, but what is it that we do? We've been the cornerstone of the automotive community since 1989 here in Snohomish County. We handle all of your service and maintenance needs, repairs on any vehicles. We handle all your SUVs, your Chevys, your Dodges, your Envoys, Subarus. The list is long. There's really nothing that we can't do, we can't handle. We get the stuff that the dealership doesn't want to deal with. We catch those vehicles that are right outside that maintenance warranty, and we are able to bring that back into specification for you. Customer service is what the automotive industry is all about nowadays. There are plenty of people out there that can fix cars. Here at Z Sport Automotive, that we always make sure that I get in contact with you. If there are any changes to what's going on, I always keep you informed. We handle all your automotive repair and maintenance needs. We fix it right the first time. Come on down and see me. My name's Travis. I'll be at the front counter.